Hello traders, good evening. Am I audible to you? Just let me know. Is the audio video clear? Let me know traders. Audio video, is it clear from my end? All right. Recently we are having some, issue with the YouTube. I can see some people, one of my close friends also, that are regularly having issue. So, okay, it's been a long time since we have come live and things like that. But going forward, we'll be having live every single day, at least Monday to Friday at 8 o'clock. So, how did your new year go? Happy New Year. Happy New Year, sir. Vinod, sir. Happy New Year, everyone. Just let me know how did your new year go? Today, basically, we'll be having some discussions. Any setup we have, will be taking the trade. Okay, I've marked some important levels on the chart, but going forward, how things will be is like I'll be taking some of the trades mostly during the daytime. I'm following one or two strategies. Okay, those strategies set up whenever I'm getting, I'll be sharing it in the crypto community group. Today also, little bit one setup I got, but that's my genuine mistake. I took this trade, it ended up in loss. Basically, that setup should have worked very well actually, but it was my mistake that looking at Indian market, crypto market, little bit mistake I did from my end without doing a bit of one small mistake I did. I'll try to missed crypto live sessions. Okay, you will not be missing it anymore. Now, mostly more than live crypto live, more updates will be shared in the crypto community group. Main reason for this is because when we come live, right, market condition, some days it will be great, some days it will not be. The setup what we want, that will not be available in the market when we come live. So what we have to do is, okay, mostly we have to keep observing the market, spend more time in crypto market, and then we have to start seeing whenever the setup is available in crypto market without thinking too much. We have to plan our trades. That's what we will be doing in the next, like I'll be taking 100 trades in crypto. Okay, so based on that, how the setup is going, all those things, definitely you guys will get update in crypto group. Also I will share in live market also, if setup is forming I will share. So little bit near the zone market has come, I did not take any bearish trade. Only reason is because as of now US market still we need to get the data and things like that. Mostly we will discuss about what we'll be doing in the crypto group. Okay, so basically more setups, things like that will be taking in the crypto group whenever I take the trade, next 100 trade. So SL hunting strategy or some other, it is a bit different. You can see here one strategy already I've shared here, right? This one is close to 43-44 minutes video. In this, the strategy what I have discussed, it's mostly based on stop loss hunting, but the stop loss hunting concept for crypto market, it's a bit different. Okay, this setup, whatever it is there, that is what I'll be trying to share in this whatever trades I'll be taking, right? Next 100 trades, whatever it is, based on this, whatever I've thought here, according to that I'll be taking, and we will try to check our growth also based on that. How much are we able to progress, how much are we able to grow, all those things. And over a period of time I'll keep discussing also with you guys. So I'll be doing that there. Along with that, this live also will be there because a lot of things during the market hours. Crypto is 24/7, but whatever setup I shared there, that I'll be discussing, and during the live market also, when I get set up, that also I'll be discussing with you guys. After the SL hunting strategy, you said you will be sharing another strategy. Is it in progress? You're asking me about crypto strategy or which one? Just let me know. This zone I had marked as a resistance zone and kept, and it continuously market moved towards the upside because it was continuously moving. Too much importance I did not give to this zone. And if you see in BTC, this zone, what I marked, it's a very important zone. Basically, I should have been taking a bearish trade in the market at this zone. Main reason I did not take is because 8 o'clock US market opening time, things like that. Vignesa, can you tell me which one are you speaking about? SL and physical classes in the future. See, I don't see benefit in taking physical class and things like that. The thing is, strategy is whatever I've taught in the course to you guys. That is the same thing I follow. I don't do anything different. At some point of time, based on market condition, little bit mindset I will change or things like that. So if you look at my group here, in this particular group, whatever updates I want to share, see this update in Indian market, this is how I'm looking at the market. I said, if you go and check, right, this is how Bank Nifty would have moved in the market. This is how approximately Nifty did not come here. If it had come here, next trade also I would have taken, but my first trade was near the resistance. For example, here, this was the resistance which I discussed morning. From here only continuously market fell. 50% of this movement I was able to capture. So the setup whatever I discussed with you, that will mostly be what I've taught in the course, or the concept what I have taught in the course, things like that only. There will not be too much difference in. Okay, crypto strategy. Okay, crypto strategy, what I've understood, I've seen that is, yes, one video is pending, I have to do that, but I'm also simultaneously seeing that participation of people, really, are they really interested or things like that? That's a bit confusing. So for me to make one more video and all those things, I'm putting effort from my end. I've spent more than 6 months, 8 months to develop this particular strategy, this crypto strategy, and I've shared with you guys. But how many people are really checking what is the success rate of this? How much profit we are able to make? This is little bit contradicting, depending on certain things. When we give it for free, of course, many people are taking it for granted without understanding its potential, how much hard work, everything is gone towards it. But yeah, that one little bit, what is that? I can make time and I can make the second part and things for the video. But how many people are really interested? How many people are, constantly asking doubts, clarifying the doubts? And I feel from my end, little things from my end also is pending, because certain things I can't reveal outside. Because of those reasons, even I'm not able to stay in the market. That is personal reasons, nothing to do with market and things like that. I can't, some days I can come live, some days I cannot come live. There'll be some emergency, I have to go out, like this situation I'll come across. Because of that, live I cannot come, things like that. People think, okay, little crypto market also I'm taking as granted. Not like that. Crypto market, what I have seen is, it's very good. It will give us a lot of opportunities as well. Only thing is, if you spend more time in that, more like for example, strategy what I have thought, based on that, very good setup would have come, market would have given a very big moment. But let's say Indian market have spent time, later some important things have come, that I would have gone every day. I think 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock I'll be occupied. That time so many setups based on the strategy what I have thought will come, I'll not be able to take those trades. Like that situation I'm coming across. Little bit correction I have done. So from this year, idea is to spend more time in crypto, more coming live, explaining about everything to you guys. So what you guys can do is you can join a crypto community group, and I think next 100 trades I'll be taking based on the same strategy what I've thought in the course. Okay. Then we can see what kind of results we're getting, things like that, and you can only come to a decision as to how good is the strategy. Now, how many of you are members of our crypto community group? Just let me know. Whoever is there in this live stream, are you a member of a crypto community group or not? Here, this zone little bit correction I'm able to see in the market, but first of all, more discussion we have done about the group. Basically, S&P 500, Nasdaq, not that much of a moment. It's kind of S&P 500 opening. After that, there's a bit of correction. Some gap was there here also. I think here also one gap should have been. This big gap is there. Market, if it is not filling that gap also, that's fine. Here little bit momentum we can expect. Nasdaq correction retest. Here this one pressure zone is there in a Seoul. BTC, there's the pressure zone. In Nasdaq, little more, this big movement it has done. That is one problem. I asked one question. Are you guys a part of crypto community group or not? How many of you are part of crypto community group? So much movement I'm not seeing here in the market right now. Just BTC, have to have a look. This area was acting as a resistance in the past. Now this is acting as support. This is a selling pressure zone. In case market sustains below the zone, little bit momentum possibility is there. Usually fifth breakdown market will give a momentum towards the downside. First breakdown, second, third, fourth, like this momentum is possible. We'll wait. We will see if we get the momentum. We will try to enter. Now just let me know what is your view about. I'll start a poll. I'm confused that can I do like this if both 9:20 a.m. strike price didn't break, so that I can choose other strike prices if in case it was trading close to 180. Can I do it or not? So 925 to 930 as per 180 930 strategy, whichever is breaking 180 you can consider that. If 930 925 nothing is breaking, then you wait until 930. Then when you get the opportunity, you try. Whoever wants to become a member of crypto community group, you can just open account using this link. Okay, once you open account, you need to send a WhatsApp message to the number that you're seeing on the screen, and then we will have a look and we will add you to the group. There you will get access to this strategy. Okay, this is the strategy which we'll be working on for the next 2 months or 3 months. Sometimes I don't know if the situation is like, okay, before I come live, if the setup, like let's say this zone I marked and kept, as per the strategy, this is the area we have to take a bearish trade. Okay, after I come live only, here more momentum came, but here as per the strategy I should have taken the trade already. So sometimes we might miss out on the opportunity thinking about the live and things like that. So that and all, to a certain extent, we can avoid going forward. I'm part of crypto community group. Okay. So from today, one setup I had shared. In that one setup, my mistake one is there. I accept that. But apart from that, little bit from my end, we'll work. Just go back. Whoever is there, member of the group, please go back and look at that strategy once, because most of the setup, whatever I'm going to share from tomorrow, will be based on that strategy itself. And even you will also have a clarity, okay, based on this strategy only is taking the trade, and there's the logic and things like that. Because logic, everything 30-40 minutes I've explained in that strategy. So once you understood all the logic and things like that, things also will become very easy for you. Things will not be too complicated. Here this trend line is there. It's acting as continuous support. This is the area where I expected correction. This is a smooth movement of close to 750 points. Market as of now. Today, like I'm just thinking today's this one, whatever it is, live, it is just like a basic live, because this is the first day of the year. Too much complications I will not do. Little bit, what is my plan, what is my focus, everything for this particular year. That is what I wanted to discuss with you guys. Now if you see, and whoever's following my free telegram group, private telegram group, you guys know, based on stop loss hunting, price action, what kind of setups we are looking, what is the success rate, what is the probability, everything you guys know. Same way in crypto market also, little bit how many updates I'm sharing here in Indian market. Let it be even the free group. You just have a look here. So many updates, right? Many updates I've shared here, right? So like this going forward, even in crypto market from my end, a lot of updates will be coming based on only the concepts what you have learned in the course. I don't trade in options, so don't trade in options. You are asking in crypto. In crypto, trading in options is not required at this point of time, because here the thing is, first thing, you get leverage. Okay, with the help of the leverage to a certain extent, if you trade in options, let's say you want to do option buying. In option buying, what is the issue? One, market has to go as per your direction. Second thing, even if it has to go as per your direction, it has to go quickly. If it is very slow, after that it goes as per your direction, still it will be difficult for you to achieve the target. But still, why people go for option trading in Indian market? Because leverage is more and things like that, right? Capital requirement is more. But here, when you trade with Delta Exchange, the capital requirement also, even in the future market, is comparatively less. And there is no lot size in Indian market minimum. What is the lot size? 65 in options. Here you can trade with one quantity, 10 quantity, 100 quantity, 1 BTC. Like that you can keep trading. So my plan as of now, I think in this account I've just kept 90,000 to 1 lakh. I'll just top up it with 2 lakh rupees. Okay. So I mean another 1 lakh. So 2 lakh will be the fund. Based on the 2 lakh, how much we are able to grow the 2 lakh. Are we going to make it with that 2 lakh? Are we able to grow it, or how long will I be able to survive in this market? Is it going to be 30 days, 40 days, 1 week, 10 days? All those things will be doing it. Okay. So that over a period of time, like you will get to know everything about it, because everything I'll be discussing in the crypto community group. Regularly I'll keep sharing setup, in profit, failure, everything will be discussing from tomorrow. It will be kind of open book. Why I'm doing with only 2 lakhs is because even some people will come with less capital, things like that, whatever it is. How long are we able to survive? With my capital, let's say I'm taking even 500, 600, whatever quantity I want I can take. But what I will do, I'll reduce my quantity size. I'll just trade with 100, 200 like that. Slowly with 2 lakhs, how much we can grow. Okay. In a span of 1 month. Are we able to make 10%, 20%, 30% return? That over a period of time, in a span of 2-3 months, we'll see about it. That's the idea, because I'm taking, I feel crypto market is very important at this point of time, not forex market. Forex market also, if I want, I could have traded, but it is not legal in India. I can't do that. But crypto market is legal. Trading in Delta Exchange is legal. So this is what we will be doing right now. And we will see how to grow our capital in crypto market by taking the advantage of the leverage and things like that. So today I saw 2 strike prices near 180 at 925, but both didn't break 930. So at 930, I opened the option chain and I saw a call. See, it was near 180, entered it, booked 30 points. Can I do like this, or should I? See, what I'm saying is, there is a strategy, right? The strategy is, let's say 930 strategy. Every day you'll come and look at the setup, everything I already have taught you guys in one particular day. Let's say it's very confusing, like you said, for you it's confusing and things like that. On that particular day, don't force yourself to trade. If you're not getting clarity, don't jump into any trade. Just avoid for that particular day. And next day, when you see you will get more clarity, those days you enter. Or what you do, the days when you don't have clarity, let's say today you had one idea, all right? Based on that idea, you do paper trading and see how it works. Whenever you have doubt, that day you do paper trading. Whenever you're confident about, okay, this strike price is reaching, it has potential, based on that you can take. If you use a bit of price action stop loss hunting concept, you can choose, okay, this strike price has potential or not, you will get understanding. But the idea about the strategy is only what we have discussed. No need to look at charts. We'll only focus on the premiums option chain. So that is why that one thing I don't advise, because if you start looking at that, things will get complicated. I don't want things to get complicated, so that is something which I don't want to advise to you guys. Now resistance, will it accept as support or not, we have to see. Today too much mood is not there to take a trade or things like that. From tomorrow definitely I'll be taking live trades, which is the best website for paper trading. Sir, paper trading and all too long back I have done, but nowadays what I have understood is paper trading platform before somewhere free, but now I think it's being paid. They charge you 1,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees per month. Like this is what they're doing, but still I feel it is very much worth it. If you just check paper trading platform on YouTube or something, on Google or YouTube also, many people would have put videos. Just have a look at those. If 9:30 a.m. strategy works, why you are not putting live on that? Please tell me the truth. Does the strategy works, or please tell me the truth, which market is best for profit making instead of job? Tony sir, first of all, what you're thinking, right? The problem is people will give you path. You do one single thing, and this one single thing if you do, you will be successful. People will say, okay, but still you have one problem, that you'll do 1 day trade, 2 days trade, 3 days trade, or without even doing 1 day trade or something like that. You will come to, is it working, not working? One day you will see it is successful, next day you will bring in more quantity, because the problem is, irrespective of me or whoever says, is any strategy perfect? Tell me, 100% of the time will it work? No. But what we will do is, according to 9:30 strategy, the main thing about that strategy is, first of all, risk reward is 1:2. Okay, this you know. Second thing, each person will have a problem of when to enter, what time to enter, that we have discussed. Okay. Second thing, what will be the stop loss, that we have discussed in the strategy video. And what is the target, that we have discussed. So majority of your things are taken care of. What can be the profit, what can be the stop loss, what time you need to enter. Only thing is, little bit confusion will be based on, okay, like someone asked me right now, right? I think it is Hajira someone, I believe. They're kind of trying the strategy, and they have been saying, okay, like this I trade today, this issue came, based on that I use this kind of logic. For them also, what I'm saying, based on that logic, you do paper trading and see how it works for you. Okay, now everything from my end you're doing, I have done. in that after giving the strategy, I'm saying 30 days. You just do the back test of the strategy. Now, before you ask me this question, tell me for true if this works, if it's not working. First of all, have you done the 30 days back test? I think other people also have given you a message saying, Tony, 9:30 a.m. strategy works. Last 22 days, I paper traded with one lot. My profit results was 7K plus. That is one lot. The thing is how people will see, right? One person is today he's made 8,000. One more person will make 80,000. They will think the person who made 80,000 is bigger than the person who made 8,000. Only issue is what you're not understanding. This guy, based on his lot size, he would have made similar kind of profit. One more person, based on his lot size, he would have made the same kind of profit only. Only you are focused on these numbers: 80,000, 90,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. That is your focus, means nothing can be done. You can make 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs, definitely. But for that, if you say 1,000 rupees, I'll take risk. Can you make 70,000, 80,000 profit in a trade? No, right? Very rare situation, by chance, something like that miracle can happen. But if you're ready to make a loss of 30,000, then if you're ready, based on, because your lots will increase, your risk capacity will increase, so your reward also will increase. So a small 1:2 risk reward only will take you to double, right? And little more movement if you capture, like today, things will work out according to your plan. If people are there with just 8,000, I have to make 80,000, means what to do? And some person is sitting here doing backtest for 20, 22 days, 23 days. Every day they're following the rules and doing, means should I appreciate them or people who just randomly trade for 1 or 2 days? What should I tell about that? Anyways, now if you see here, market continuously fell. Of course, I am sure you guys will say, okay, this zone market fell. You were saying it will fall, but you did not take the trade. I've already told the reason why I did not take the trade here. People who are there in the crypto community group, already the strategy I've told from this zone, mostly there's 65 to 70, you see. Okay, 65 to 70% chance that this setup will work. Will it work 100%? No. But when it works great. Based on the setup, we have to take the trade. But this moment came, I think, by the time I put live and before I come live only, this moment came. And I had marked the level, but I did not take the trade. That's fine. But today my mindset only is not to trade too much. It is just to discuss with you guys and just let you know what is my plan for this year, how I want to go take care of things, and based on that, how I want to approach the market. Because one thing I wanted to mainly speak about is people who are there in crypto community group. Little bit you might see me inactive during the second half of the day only because of personal reasons. I'm kind of sorting it out. And today one setup I had discussed, right? Where is that setup? Somewhere here. Setup was somewhere here. In this I did one mistake. I'll accept that, but next I will correct it. And going forward, we will just be doing 100 trades based on the same strategy. Just like 9:30 strategy, how you guys are seeing the success rate. Based on that, next 100 days, 100 trades at least, I'll be doing based on the our strategy, stop loss hunting strategy, specially designed for crypto. In that, I'll be taking trades. So I want you guys to completely give importance to whatever updates I'm sharing in this one, right? Indian market, how much importance you're giving to that, but this also you have to give, right? That's the main reason I wanted to discuss, create one awareness and things like that with you guys. I've been following that SL hunting strategy daily so far. It's working good. I'm looking for part 2. I've been following the. Sure, sir. Part 2 I will definitely do. And I think by end of Jan. Anyways, every day I'm starting to share setup, right? So within that 20 days or 30 days completion, that time more information I will get to discuss with you guys. I'll make a part 2. No, sir, how long back from current value should we check the highest and lowest to draw Fibonacci level, because highs and lows in the past? Which one should we choose? Okay. Now this issue you have, right? To solve this issue only, what I have decided is, just like Indian market, how I give pre-market analysis, I'll be doing for crypto market also. For me also to get adjusted to make video, it will take time, but within this week, every day I'm expecting one or two. You have seen, I think you guys would have seen me making pre-market analysis video, right? I'll be doing pre-market videos, or during the live market, the levels, what it is, how to mark those levels, everything. Live market sessions only I will have. Let's say it will be around 2 or 3 minute video. Okay, just like pre-market. In that I will share, okay, these levels we can consider as Fibonacci levels, these levels we can consider as buying zone, this level we can consider as seller zone. Like this, for the next 30 days, if I regularly share with you guys, even you guys will understand that, right? That's my idea. Mostly more I'll be sharing the updates. From tomorrow you will get a better idea. Okay, let's say 10 to 15 days, if you see me sharing those videos or those updates, those levels, even you will get to an idea as to what levels to choose. Okay, don't worry about that, I'll share it. Too much in the charts and all, I'm not concentrating as of now today. Yeah, resistance acting as support. US market is slightly positive, correction, retracement. Let me see what levels can become important zone. In this zone, little bit, ideally it should have acted as resistance for the market. Market has broken that level also. On 5 minutes time frame, it's broken that level. That's fine, but I consider this as the resistance area. In Nasdaq, there's little more space. Just mark these levels also. Okay, keep it in the chart, because it will be useful for you in the future. This one setup I missed out. That is a little bit, I'm feeling disappointed. That's okay. Because main reason today was to communicate certain things to you guys. Just pull back, all those things is fine. But nothing attractive setup based on the strategy what I follow is not there right now. This trend line, I can see it acting as a support from your market. There is a chance, but there's a 50% chance. So I can't take that risk. Sir, only after 9:45 only. No, we should trail SL. Sir, in that strategy, clearly I have mentioned safe trader 9:45 they have to exit. Okay. And whoever is not a safe trader who wants to capture more momentum, if your target of initial 20 points, 30 points, whatever is reached, then you trail the stop loss at 9:45 and try to hold on to the trade. Now, many of you might tell me, okay, sir, the support 1, support 2, support 3, support 4, this zone we could have entered bullish trade. This area is acting as a supporting zone. But honestly speaking, if you learn the concept of stop loss hunting, you will start doing things differently, right? Here, let's say it gave a breakout here, it gave a breakout here, it gave a breakout here. But I said this is a resistance zone from your market can correct. Why it can correct from this zone? That and all I have clearly explained in this 45 minutes video. Okay. From here we can see a correction. Why we can see correction at this zone or after breakouts, that and all I have told. So since I follow stop loss hunting concept, things will be like, okay, we will not be doing similar kind of things what other people do. There's a chance, okay, from here only it will reverse. Is there a chance? Definitely there's a chance, because market is all about probability. I will say here it will not sustain, it will correct, but some people will say completely it can give a reversal. But what is the probability? I say out of 10 times this will work 2 or 3 times. This one, what I say, will work 7 times or at least 6 times. So should I follow that setup or this setup? Definitely I have to follow this setup, right? So that is why I don't do similar kind of things like what many people do in the market. That is one thing. Not too much this live stream like trading mindset I did not come. Please tell me crypto paper trading app name. So see, in Indian market, let's say, let it be 9:30 strategy whatsoever you want to trade. You have to trade with at least what minimum one lot if you want to do option trading, right? Nifty, bank nifty if you want to trade. But for crypto, it is not like that. You can trade with what one lot. One lot will cost you what $2. For example, let's say here I want to sell. Okay, for me only $2 it will cost. Let's say I sell here $2. I took one entry. Let's say my stop loss is here. Here also you have an option to place stop loss. Okay, and you have an option to place the target. In delta exchange only I'm saying. This just example things like that I'm showing. Usually you guys know how much quantity I trade. Now in this maximum, what will be your loss? Your loss will not even be $1. Your profit also will not be even $1. But this is somewhat similar to paper trading only. Why you want to complicate so much about some platform or things like that? Real market condition, the platform in which you want to trade. Here only, I think, let's say if you just have, if you want to trade something, let's say 2000 rupees also, if you add to this account, whatever strategy you're back testing, You just place the entry, this one, just one quantity you take when you're doing backtest. That also, if you can't do, it's very difficult. But I'm saying, if you do it that way, then you don't even need any kind of trading platform. I hope you're getting my point. If you want to join Delta Exchange, we have shared the link. You can have a look at that. Very simple, right? Real market condition, everything you're seeing, same platform in the future you will treatments, no issues. Can you maximize the screen if you don't mind? Sir, there is already a live stream which is going on in full screen mode, okay, where things are very big. I mean in landscape. Please join that live stream. It will be easy for you. This one just as a sample, I put the straight, nothing important. Okay, so mainly today I just wanted to meet you guys. It's been a long time, and even I wanted to start with a fresh mindset. I wanted to speak to you guys, tell you what is my plan and things like that. Now that I've told, okay, next 2 months, 3 months, my focus will only be my strategies. Whatever I take, setups will be only based on this one. Whatever is the profit or loss based on this strategy, you guys will keep I'll keep you guys updated. At the same time, whenever I take setup based on the strategy also, like this, I'll share. Okay, so if you wish to join our crypto community group, you can open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the pinned comment. You guys join, and then from there you can first learn the strategy, backtest the strategy, see everything if it works for you. Look at all the setups which I take, the trades what I take. Once you get clarity, then maybe even you can start with small quantities. All right, so these are the things I wanted to communicate. Little bit seriousness from your end also is required, is what I'm saying. At the same time, from my end, whatever is the best importance I'll give for Indian market, same kind of importance I'll give to crypto market also. Okay, you can see how much importance I give to Indian market. I'm so much used to it. Regularly how much I trade in Indian market, you guys can see here. So same way in crypto group also, regularly updates will be shared. If you want to be a part of it, open account, join, and after joining account, after opening account, send a message to this phone number. Okay, this is the phone number. Reach out to this. After opening account, you have to share your user ID, Delta Exchange user ID. We'll cross check, then we will add you to the group, and even you can be a part of the group. Okay, so too much I have not discussed. No setup, nothing, no trades, nothing today. From tomorrow, please come live around 8 o'clock. We'll discuss setups, we'll discuss about what and all happened from morning, everything. So that's why I wanted to take today's live stream. Okay, all right traders, nothing else to speak about. No trading setup as of now. I'm not in the mood to take this support level trade whatsoever. If it moves also, no problem, because my probability or the setup which I take is completely different. When those setups come, only then I will take. So these are the things I wanted to discuss. Thank you for being a part of the live stream. If you're a little bit disappointed about, okay, today I did not share any setup or anything as such during the live stream, sorry for that, but please don't be, because more setup, everything will be shared on a day-to-day basis from tomorrow. Okay, so thank you. This is more than enough. Thank you for participating the live stream. what I wanted to communicate, I have communicated. From tomorrow we will start fresh. Okay, from morning only I'll start sharing the support and resistance. You see, every day is share support and resistance like this, right? What can be the support and resistance, that I will share as usual. Apart from that, other levels, if possible, pre-market, one or two analysis I will be sharing during the market hours, or first thing before I speak about Indian market, I'll speak about crypto market. I will say what are the levels we'll be looking for reversal, from the bottom, from the top, based on stop loss hunting, based on the strategy what I have thought. Everything we will discuss then, so that you will have some clarity, and whenever I'm taking the trade also you will have the clarity. Okay, that's the idea. All right, traders, thank you for participating in the live stream. I'll see you tomorrow. From tomorrow we'll start doing the we'll be taking lives. Okay, this one, trades in the live stream itself. Okay, all right, take care. Once again, happy new year. Have a great day, great year ahead. I'll meet you tomorrow. From tomorrow we'll start fresh with a better mindset. Okay, all right, traders, good night, take care. I'll see you tomorrow.